Hi, you okay? Today I'm going to show you how to make this chicken drumstick KFC style. Come on, let's go. I got chicken drumstick here. Get a knife, cut it open a bit. You can cut it on the other side as well. Look, just cut it like this. So put it down. Do the next one the same, yeah? Get a knife. See that? Cut it open. Look, like this. Open up like this. So do the rest the same. For the seasoning, I got 1.5 spoon of the salt, 1 spoon of the sugar, 1 spoon of the MSG, and 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. And then mix it up. And also I put 1 spoon of the half spoon of the 5 spice powder. And then now mix it up, and then look, put it all over the chicken. Yeah, and then mix it up and put the rest in. A bit of white pepper in. And also I put a bit of sesame oil. Put few in. And now mix it up now. And let it rest for about 1 hour. Okay? Let all the seasoning go inside the meat. So when you eat it, you'll be that tasty. Yeah, and let it rest for an hour. It's been over an hour now. I got 1 egg here. Put the egg all over the chicken. And mix it up a bit. And after you mix it up, if it's too much water in there, empty it. Right, I mix it up a bit first. Let the egg go with the chicken. Empty a bit first. Yeah. And now I got put some flour in the chicken. And mix it up with the flour. After the chicken, cover with flour. Now do the second coating. Look, put the chicken in the cornstarch or potato starch. See which one you want to use, all up to you. Look, make sure you all cover with the flour. Look. Okay, make sure you all cover with the flour because the coating is so important when you cover it. Right? See there? Right? All cover with flour. This is the second coating. Temperature is about 183 Celsius, 85 now, so it's quite hot enough to put the chicken in. So when you put the chicken in, be careful, okay? Yeah, put it in like that, gently. I put 3 in first. And don't touch it yet. And let it set for about 1 minute before you move it around. Yeah, now it's been a minute now, so move them around a bit, move them chicken, see there, yep, so you won't burn the bottom. So, and if it's too hot, you can lower the gas a little bit, okay? I just lower the gas a little bit, so you won't be too hot. Yeah, and let it cook for a few minutes. It's been over 5 minutes now. Have a look. See there. They look so nice. I think should be cooked by now. Because look, it starts floating as well. Right. I'm gonna take them out and put it on the paper towel. It's been over 5 minutes. So now you clean the fat. And when you cook the next lot, make sure the fat is hot before you put the chicken in. If the fat is not hot, don't put it in. Because if you put it in, you know the flour will come off the chicken. So don't put it in when the fat is not hot. Don't forget. So I'm gonna finish the whole lot now. Fat been clean, should be hot enough now. So I'm gonna put it in and then finish the whole lot now. Yeah, don't touch it, don't forget, like the first time, okay? And lower the gas a bit. And let it cook over 5 minutes. After 1 minute, stir the chicken a bit so it won't get burned on the bottom. There you go. This is the chicken drumstick, KFC style. Now you have a look. So beautiful, isn't it? Size of the chicken drumstick. So big, so massive. See? You can hear the skin. So crispy. And I'm going to open it, have a look. Let you look, see what they look like. See the meat inside. So nice, so juicy. You can see the steam still coming off the chicken. And I'm going to give you a try, see what it tastes like. So tasty, so crispy. You know the skin with the butter, and you can see the chicken. So juicy. My God, so delicious. It's unbelievable, so tasty. Because when you open the chicken up a bit, do the seasoning right inside the chicken. That's why it's so tasty. It's so different from your fast food takeaway. And this one is more delicious. Believe me, okay? So I hope you like this video. If you like it, can you give me a like, share, comment, and follow, please? Thank you for watching. Bye.